Okay, so as you're cutting out your colored paper, because you don't have a lot of it, you don't start cutting right in the middle of the paper because then that wastes all the edges. So you start at one of the sides, and then you're not using the whole paper and have a big hole in the middle of the whole paper. So now you can see I have all this extra paper left over that I could cut more shapes out of. So for these, for these shapes, you are just randomly cutting out organic shapes. You can use some geometric. I like to use organic more. And this is what's going to be your background for your figure. Another option is if you really like one of the shapes you cut out and you want to have it repeat, you can trace it so that it's the same and cut it out. So now all our shapes are cut out, and this is where the fun begins. You start to lay out your shapes on the paper and see which ones you want to have overlap each other, which ones you want to be by themselves. And if you cut too many shapes, it is okay. See, I'm going to move this one. I want you to take your time and move them around until you get something that looks good. I like that much better because the orange makes the blue pop out. Okay. Does this go here? No. So I'm just moving stuff around until I figure out where I want it to go, till it looks the way that I want it to. I'm not just randomly just throwing them on the page. I'm actually thinking and looking and seeing what works. And then once you have your design, you're going to glue everything down. But I'm going to play with this a little more. I have some extra shapes still. You can flip them upside down. Okay, and here is our final Matisse cutout. Hope you have fun with it.